Hang out with me in Mexico. Yippee!
Oh, qué bonito.
Since it's December, parks are getting decked out in Christmas decorations. Tonight, we're gonna go check them out. Also check out this cool swing. Excuse my ugly camera glare, but we arrived at this park called Parque de la Marimba. I love all the fun light decorations they put up. I've walked around this park a million times, and I will never get bored of it. There's usually live music, dancing, great restaurants, the best street corn, and my favorite snow cone shop is around here. Just like I am now, my family and I usually take night walks daily here. On to the next day. Every time I visit Mexico, I have to buy new clothes. I love the quality and style of the clothing here. Look how cute. By the way, the store I'm currently in is called Vertice. Ugh, I was obsessed with the green version. Spoiler alert, they didn't have my size. But oh my God, take a look at this disaster. I am beyond shocked that I found these in stores. Not just in Mexico too, in Peru, and I think the US as well. Anyways, time to try some stuff on. So that green shirt was super cute, but a tad too tight on me, so that's a no. This dress just didn't flatter me. I think it's a material because the concept seems cute. Now I love this. I swear I have shorts on, but I would pair this with some cute tights. This is giving flight attendant or office attire, and I kinda love it. Moving on to the next store, Cuidado con el Perro, aka my fave store chain here. The clothes here is more street fashion and trendy, I would say. The men's t-shirt game is so good. Most of my t-shirts are from here, LOL. I love to see what's trending here. There's a lot of Sanrio and anime, like in the US, but also early 2000s cartoons and Netflix shows have clothing merch too. Stop by the Parque de la Marimba to watch some live performances of regional cultural dances. If you're curious, the festival was hosted by CNT, which is a union organization of education workers.
Chiapas, México. Este bailable es una expresión cultural que mezcla música, danza y tradición. Vestuario. Los hombres visten camisa de manta de mangas largas recta, pantalón de manta blanca conocido como calzón, pañuelo rojo atado al cuello, morral, un sombrero y guaraches de cuero. Las mujeres usan un enredo de algodón color rojo haciéndole un nudo como bolso en la parte delantera. La música que acompaña el copainalteco es alegre y dinámica, ejecutada con instrumentos tradicionales como la marimba, el violín y la guitarra. Su ritmo invita al movimiento sincronizado y refleja la energía de las festividades. Coreografía. Los pasos del baile son rítmicos y enérgicos, con movimientos que simulan actividades cotidianas o juegos tradicionales. Los bailarines interactúan de manera alegre, formando círculos, líneas o parejas, en un ambiente de convivencia festiva, de algarabía y coqueteo.
¡Que se escuchen esas palmas! ¡La toque presente! ¡Échale, comadre! ¡Échale, compadre!
Got some banging ice cream, and after the dances, they lit up fireworks. What a show! Looks like the Union was celebrating their 45-year anniversary. That's all for this video. As always, thanks for joining me.